Hi everyone, I'm Paige and it's Technique Tuesday. So today I'm going to show you how to sew on a button the correct way. Let's get right into the tutorial. First, begin by marking where your button is going to go on your fabric. You can do that with a pin or with an erasable marker. Tie a knot in the end of your thread after you thread it onto the needle. And begin by creating a little anchor point with your thread by stitching a small little X. Once you've done this, you can slip your needle up through the fabric again and place your button onto your needle. And you'll center the center of the button with the little X that you've created. Now before you pull the thread all the way through, insert an embroidery needle or a toothpick to create a little space in your threads, and then stitch the button down, going over and across. As you're stitching this, the toothpick is going to provide enough space in the thread that when you remove it, there's space behind the button for the fabric of the buttonhole to sit under comfortably. Make 3 passes on each angle of the X, so that will be a total of 6 passes. And once you've done that, you slip your needle through the fabric again, but not coming in front of the button. You'll just go behind the button. And at this point, you can remove the toothpick. Now, to secure the threads underneath the button, you'll wrap the thread around 3 times and just give it a little tug to secure it, and slip the needle back to the back of the fabric. Now all that's left to do is to secure the ends of the thread. So I just do that by tying a little knot, by creating a loop and looping through that 2 times. And then I'll tuck the end of the thread in 1 time, and at this point it's safe to cut the thread. And now your button is sewn on. By creating a shank on that button, by wrapping around the thread, you've created a space that the buttonhole fabric can lie behind. And a 2-hole button works exactly the same way. You'll just make 3 crossovers instead of 6. And that's how you sew on a button the correct way. Alright, so sewing a button on is that simple. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, you can click subscribe down below and click the little bell alert, and that will send you notifications anytime that I post a video. And keep an eye out for Techniques on Tuesday. Till next time, bye.